children, we have completed practice paper 3. We have completed. Now we have to start practice paper 4. Section A, as you know that it carries 1 mark. First question. In triangle PQR, L is midpoint of QR and LM parallel to PQ as shown in the figure. Find the length of PM. Since it is a 1 mark question, there is no need of drawing the diagram again and again for the answer solution. We have to write this many steps only. L is the midpoint, LM parallel to PQ. Then what is that one? By converse midpoint theorem, M is the midpoint of PR. So you can write directly also converse midpoint theorem. Then M is the midpoint means or total length of PR, it is 6 only. So since M is the midpoint means PM equal to MR equal to 3 centimeter. Question number 2. The base radius and height of a right circular cylinder is 10.5 centimeter. So radius height is given and radius is given. Respectively means radius equal to 10.5 and height is equal to 16 centimeter. Find the curved surface area. CSA we have to calculate, and what is the cylinder? So cylinder formula is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH to be written and substitute the values. Your multiplication, take the product, it will get 1056 centimeter square. If the mean of 20 observation is 25, mean of 20 observations is 25, each observation is decreased by 2, find the sum of new observations. X bar equal to usual formula, X bar is mean only, sum of 20 observations divided by total number of observations is what? 20 only. So sum of 20 observations by 20, what is mean is given in the question 25 equal to 25 equal to sum of observations divided by 20. Therefore, sum of 20 observation means 25 into 20. That is cross multiplication, that is equal to 500. Now, each value is decreases by 2 means how many observations are 20? So, 20 observations are there. So, the value will be decreased by 20 into 2, that 40. So, from the total, we have to subtract 40, that is equal to 460. Usually, this type of the questions, they will ask a new mean only. So, actually, mean is 25 means it is decreased by 2 means mean is also decreases by 2 only, that is equal to 23. But here the sum of the new observation is only asked, so we have to subtract this one and it is equal to 460. 4. Find mode 14, 14, 15, 27, 26, 27, 27, 22, 13. As you know that mode is the most repeated score only. So 27 only the mode. It is repeated 3 times. Section B, 2 marks. Question number 5. Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle with a PM perpendicular to QR. Show that area triangle PQM equal to area triangle PRM. This question is from chapter 9 only. Since it is deleted, you may not be knowing the theorem. Actually, theorem states that median of the triangle divided it into two triangles of equal area. For an equilateral triangle, altitude and median are same only. So PM is altitude means PM is a median also. So I have written here in equilateral triangle PM act as a median. So median of the triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Area of the triangle PQM equal to area of the triangle PMR. So the statement correctly written because this is the reason for the solution. Question number 6. Construct a right angle triangle of each side 3 cm and length of hypotenuse 5 cm. So it's a very simple construction only. Since it is a 2 mark, they ask such questions. Right angle triangle means you know that already one angle is 90 degrees. Side is 3 cm, hypotenuse is 5 cm. So the side opposite to 90 degree is 5 cm. So usual construction, what is the first construction? AB equal to 3 cm. So 3 I'll write here. Now at B I have made a 90 degree constructions. So ABX equal to 90 degree, right? On the 90 degree, how to get the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means, as you know, that the side opposite only. So with the A as a center and the hypotenuse length is 5, we have to draw the arc, it cut the BX at C. Now finally we should join AC. So we'll get a right angle triangle ABC only. Simple constructions, you know that, but all the construction steps it should be there. Steps of construction not required since it is a 2-mark question. Question number 7. If one angle of a parallelogram is twice of its adjacent angle, find the angle of the parallelograms. So here adjacent angle supplementary, we have to write a diagram is not required, as you know that adjacent angles are supplementary. One angle is x, other angle is 2 times of x, it is equal to 2x only. So if you take the diagram is not required. So for your understanding I am showing the rough diagram here. Suppose ABCD is a parallelogram. A and B are adjacent angle, right? Similarly, B and C are adjacent, C and D are adjacent, another pair is A and D only. So any pair you can take. If A is x means B is also 2x. B is also 2x only because 2y is the first angle. So what is the adjacent angle property? Adjacent angles are supplementary. So x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. So now we can solve for x equal to 60 degree. Now angles are 60, 120, 60, 120. So 1 is 60 degree means 2x means 120 degree. What is another property? Opposite angles are equal. So when this is 120 means what about angle D? Angle D is also 120. Angle A is 60 means what about angle C? It is also 60, right? Now when they hear the what is the children will do there means they will write that 60, 60, 120, 120. That way we should not write since it is a parallelogram. When we are writing the answers it should be in order. That means A, after A it comes B, after B it comes C, then D only. So A B C D order, or we can go for A D C B, either clockwise or anti-clockwise we can go. So when we are writing this one is 60, then next angle should be 120 only, again 60, again 120. You should not write that since 60 and 120 only we know the values. If you are writing 60, 60, 120, 120, then your answer is wrong only. So you should follow like this only. First 60, then 120, again 60, then 120. And write the reason also. Opposite angles are equal. Question number 8. A die is rolled 250 times and its outcomes are recorded as below. Outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frequency 40, 45, 35, 38, 52, 40. Find the probability of getting an even number, and the second is a multiple of 3. So how many are the total number of trials? That is equal to 250. So we sub questions are there. It is a 2-mark question also, so we must write the formula first. I already explained this point many times. By empirical probability, P of E equal to number of trials in which the event happened and total number of trials. The formula we have kept it. So now we have written here clearly. Now we can go directly. Question number 1, P of any even number. Which are the favorable cases? 2, 4, 6. Below that what are the frequencies? 45, 38 and 40. So these many trials are happened where the outcome is an even number divided by 250, and it is equal to 123 divided by 250. Now what is the next question? Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3 also will be there and 6 also will be there. So below that 35 and 40. So 35 plus 40 divided by 250, it is equal to 75 by 250. Simplification. After simplification it is equal to 3 by 10. Question number 9. Find the amount of a paper required to cover a cubical box of side 10 centimeter. So cubical box of side 10 centimeter means the length of the side is given. So we can write that A equal to 10 centimeter. Right? Solution starts. Right? Next, amount of the paper required to cover the cubical box means it is a total surface area of the cube. So that means what is the formula? 6a square. 6 into 10 into 10, it is equal to 600 centimeter square. So we got the amount of the paper required to cover cubical box is equal to 600 centimeter square. The blood group of 60 students of class 9 are recorded as follows. Blood group are A, B, AB, O, then total is the column. Number of students respectively 12, 18, 16, 14. What is the total number of the students? 60. If a student is selected at random, find the probability that he is, first question, A blood group student, and second question, O blood group student. Now again, as usual, sub questions are there. What is the first step? We have to write the formula. Here total number of the students is equal to 60, therefore total number of trials is equal to 60 only. So by experimental probability or empirical probability, P of E equal to number of trials in which event happened and divided by total number of trials. P, that means probability. What is the first sub question? Probability of a student having blood group A. So against A, it is 12 students are there. So 12 by 60, it is equal to 1 by 5. Now the second question, probability of a student having a blood group O. Against O, how many students are there? 14. So it is equal to 14 by 60. After simplification, it is equal to 7 by 30. So in this type of the questions, don't hesitate to write the formula. Formula also carries some marks. Section C, 3 mark now. 11th question. The mean of 21 numbers is 15. If each number is multiplied by 2, what will be the new mean, and hence state the relation between the new mean and the old mean. Mean of 21 numbers is 15. What is the question? Each number is multiplied by 2. What will be the new mean, and hence state the relation between the new mean and the old mean. So what are the steps means? The mean of 21 numbers is 15. Sum of 21 numbers is equal to 21 into 15 equal to 315. Okay, mean of 21 number is 15. Listen here, mean of the 21 numbers means, let us take the number is x1, x2 plus etc. x21 I am taking, that means 21 times x I am writing, and it varies the value, and divided by 21, that is equal to 15. This is the question is given, right? So what will happen for this? The sum of the 21 observation. Sum of the 21 observation means 21 into 15, which is equal to 315. This is the first part. I hope it is clear for you. Sum of 21 observations. Now what is the second part of the question? Second part of the question means each term is multiplied with 2. So it is became 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 plus etc. plus 2x1. 2x21 divided by 21, and here the multiply, what will be the new mean it is asked. So I'll write here new mean only. So here what happens, 2 I can take as a common. Again x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus x21 divided by 21, it is equal to 2 into, see all of you calculated this one as a 315. So here 2 into 315 divided by 21, and it is the, what is the left side? It is equal to new mean. So that is why if you go for the new mean, we can cancel this one, equal to 2 into 315 by 21. Here 21 I can use here. So here I'll get a 15. So I'm getting 30. What is the new mean? 30. What is the old mean? Old mean is equal to 50. So what is the relation? New mean equal to twice the old mean. So now I think you got the idea how we are getting the procedure like this. When it is multiplied by 2, when it is multiplied by 2, each observation we are taking the product with 2. So 2 into first observation plus 2 into second observation plus 2 into third observation plus etc. plus 2 into 21th observations, right? From that each term is multiplied 2 means 2 I am taking common. Now what happens to here? Sum of the 21 observations in bracket. So the first equation we have got the value as 3125. So we are cancelling and we are getting the value as 30. Now 15 is old mean, the new mean is 30. Now they asked for the relation. What is the relation? New mean equal to twice the old mean or 2 times the old mean. Now I can explain without doing the multiplication. Also there is a shortcut, that is when we are having an old mean, 21 observation is having mean equal to 15, right? Now it is multiplied by 2, so mean is also multiplied. When each observation is multiplied by 2, then mean is also multiplied. So what is the new mean? It is equal to 30. The same rule is applicable for addition also. Suppose the same question, if they had given us mean equal to 15 and it is increased by, each observation is increased by 2. That means each observation is added by 2. So mean will be added by 2. If mean is decreased by, each observation is decreased by 2, then mean is also decreased by 2. So that is a shortcut you can use for some competitive exams, but when it comes to the question paper side, you should have the steps. Otherwise you will not get the mark. Maybe they will give final steps, direct answer. If you are writing, the half mark only will be given. If you want 2 mark, you should show the steps like this. So once again the steps, sum of the 21 observations is equal to divided by 21 equal to 15, that is the old mean. Now each observation is multiplied by 2, so 2 will be common there. So new mean means 2 into sum of the 21 observations by 21. Substituting the values, cancel that one, 30. So new mean equal to twice the old mean. With this, today's class I am winding up. Thank you.